Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today I'm going to be using the Koda to make calzone pizza. I haven't made a calzone in the Koda before, and I haven't made a calzone pizza for a very long time. So thank you for your suggestions for fillings, and I am going to do what the majority of you said to do. So let's go make it. I'm using my trusted 24-hour room-proof dough. Looks as if it's come out okay. Okay, so let's get this oven temperature checked out. Ooh, that's looking perfect. Bit hot, actually. It's going to high. I'll keep it to the front though, and I'll just turn it down just a little bit. Oh, an inch from the full power, so it's an inch down, maybe 3/4 of an inch down from the full power. It's very hard to see where I am with that. But I'm going to put this in now. I'm going to keep it right to the front because it is very hot on the stone right now. Oh, let me blow off the excess semolina. Oop, blew off some of the basil as well. Okay. Ooh, see, and it's good because half of it stayed there as well. Don't need debris in my oven. Wow, I haven't made a calzone in a really long time. Hope this doesn't prove to be a learning video, how to not make calzone video. I don't want it to turn into one of those. See, look at that. There was hardly any semolina on the Oof. Oh, that's cooked nicely. I'm glad I'm keeping it well up to this end of the oven because of that stone. It's quite ferocious today, that stone, my gosh, and I don't think I've ever got it so hot so quick. Wow. A bit more on that side. A bit more. Let's see. Ooh. How do you cut a calzone? Is this the way to cut a calzone, just like in half like this? I have to say, I really wasn't a big fan of ricotta cheese, and I've avoided it a lot. But, I'm wrong. It's really nice. Certainly in this with these ingredients anyway. I'm gonna try that bit. I have this impression that calzones were really hard to make, so I didn't make it because I didn't think I could make it properly. Actually, it's just as easy as making a pizza, so it's very nice. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.